Hello, and welcome to the Analog Devices Precision Training video that focuses on precision analog-to-digital converter technology. Today, we will bring you through the AD7606 family of ADCs. The AD7606 is a multi-channel simultaneous sampling data acquisition system based around a successive approximation register, SAR, ADC. The high flexibility of the AD7606 has made it easy to adopt across a range of applications. One example is power line monitoring within substations, where the high input impedance of the ADC enables direct connection to current and voltage transformers. Powered from a single 5-volt supply, the AD7606 is capable of measuring plus or minus 10-volt signals, and has an excellent signal-to-noise ratio, which makes it ideal for applications which need a wide dynamic range, where the measurement of large and small signal amplitudes is important. The AD7606 samples up to 200 kilosamples per second and has an onboard averaging digital filter enabling improved performance in applications where lower throughput is required. The AD7606B next-gen in the family released in 2019 is pin-to-pin compatible with the AD7606. It offers higher input impedance and runs up to 4 times faster. Some key differences between the original and the AD7606B include additional plus-minus 2.5 volt input range, phase gain and offset calibration, as well as enhanced diagnostic feature set, enabling a more flexible, robust measurement solution. The year 2020 brought the next generation of the family, the AD7606C-18, the AD7606C-16, 18-bit and 16-bit respectively. These offer even more flexibility through software selectable modes that enable adoption across even more application areas. These devices offer even faster throughput rates, selectable high input bandwidth modes, settling up to 10 times faster, as well as additional input ranges. To help our customers understand the key difference and performance benefit each member of the AD7606 family has to offer, Analog Devices has developed a software tool. The software tool is downloadable from the ADC product page. The tool allows customers to select the ADC they wish to review, configure for their specific measurement needs. The tool will then present the results for quick and easy analysis. Walking through the tool, go to the configuration section of the tool as shown to select the ADC. You can then select the input range you require. Enter the applied common mode voltage. Enter the signal amplitude and frequency for your application. Enter the sampling rate and select the required averaging. Clicking the Run button, the parameters entered are then used by the tool and the associated results are calculated and presented as shown. Results include SNR, signal-to-noise ratio, 3 dB input bandwidth, phase delay, conversion time, settling time, as well as the supply current. A number of plots are also presented in the tool that allow further analysis of the selected ADC performance, which includes frequency response, phase delay through the AD7606 complete DAS solution, as well as key information on the timing. The tool also includes a Register Map tab. This offers a quick and easy way to configure the AD7606B and the AD7606C devices, making it easier to move to the firmware development stage of the design. Thanks for watching. To learn more, please go to any of the AD7606 family product pages on analog.com. Here you will find links to download the AD7606 software tool. For more details on precision ADCs, visit analog.com or follow the link below. For any specific ADC-related questions, please visit our online support community, Engineer Zone.